Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to make a Miro board private. So currently we have our Miro board, for example, and in order to do this we need to go to the top right corner where we have share button, and we're going to click on the share button. Now if your board is not named, you'd have to name that first, and then we're going to get to this, and right here you're going to look down to board access. Now under board access you're going to have the setting to make this private. Now under anyone with the link, of course, this means that when you copy this link, anyone can have the link and anyone can view it. However, anyone with the link will have no access. So even if we share the link right now, no one will have access to this. So that means it's private. So here we have about 4 options. And depending on your plan, you're going to see different options such as private or only board owner can access. However, we have no access, meaning this is private. And it will stay this way until we change it. So currently it's by default in private. And if you want to share this privately to others, all you need to do is to enter an email address. And when we enter an email, we're also going to decide the rights they're going to have. For example, this email address, which I just typed here, I would decide if they can edit, they can comment, or they can just view it. Now, if I select can view it and I press enter, that will automatically add this user to the team and we'll be able to access it as a viewer, as an editor, or as a commenter. And then of course, you could decide to click on send invitations if you want. So all you need to do to make your Miro board private is to go to share once again and make sure that it's currently on no access, and that will keep it private. So this is how to make a Miro board private.